Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register your BCBS member account, step-by-step guide step-by-step clearly. To register your BCBS member account, start by visiting the official BCBS website. Locate the member login option on the home page. Click on the register or create an account link. You will be directed to the registration page. Enter your member ID in the provided field. Check your member ID on your insurance card if you're unsure. Next, fill in your personal information as requested. This may include your name, address, date of birth, and email address. Create a secure password that meets the specified requirements. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the designated box. Review the terms and conditions, then check the box to agree. Click on the Submit or Create Account button to proceed. You may receive an email verification link. Check your email for this verification message. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This link will redirect you back to the BCBS website. Log in using your newly created credentials. Explore your account to familiarize yourself with its features. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting BCBS customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.